Here is the symphony of mice and men. They're called Mice and Men, and they're going to sing moves like Jagger for you all, and I hope you enjoy. This is their debut.